In the heart of Iraq, where ideas shape the future, the Sulaimani Forum stands as the country's premier policy gathering, bringing together leaders, researchers, and experts from across the Middle East, Europe, and the United States. Its story begins with the founding of the American University of Iraq Sulaimani in 2006, marking a new chapter in education, research, and dialogue. Since then, AUIS has been the forefront of fostering national and regional conversations. In 2013, this mission took shape in the form of the Sulaimani Forum, Iraq's first major policy forum. Now, it's the 9th edition. The Sulaimani Forum returns on April 16th and 17th, 2025 at AUIS. Organized by the university's flagship research center, AUIS, and the university as a whole are thrilled to announce that some of the world's leading think tanks are joining the forum as official partners, including Chatham House, the Century International, Istituto Affari Internazionali, International Crisis Group, and Isam Fares Institute for Public Policy and International Affairs.